Hi, now I'll show you how to download a Notepad++, which is a very popular text editor. Just open your internet web browser and type the Notepad++, and then you can click the first URL, and there are several different versions. So we're gonna download the most recent one, 7.9.5. Just click this one, and you can download uh, one of these, but there are several different options, right? But you need to know your window is running 32-bit or 64-bit. Again, I'll show you briefly how to find out that bit information. Just type system in your search box here, system, and then you can see the system information, right? Just open this one by clicking that one. And if you look at the in here system type, my machine is running 64-bit. Perhaps your machine is also running 64-bit, or sometimes you see the 32-bit. Okay, so you have to remember this one. So my case is 64-bit. Let me close this window, and then just go to the download website and find out this one. My case, download the 64-bit, right? I can click just the installer. It's easy, and then just open the download folder. In my case, I can just double click this one and say yes. Just to take a default value and like this, and click next. And I will agree, and next install. Because I already running the previous version. Let me close the window, previous one, and try again. And see the Notepad 7.9.5, which is the latest version, right? Click OK, and you see the this um, interface. That means you are ready to open your file. But for example, this is my download folder. There are a bunch of different file format. Let me try to open the CSV, for example, or this one, and click right mouse. If you scroll down a little bit, you see the edit with the Notepad++ option, right? Just click this one and see. You can see this file content. Also, you can open maybe this PRM format. Just click right mouse key and click edit with the notepad. You see the this content, right? And also, I'm not sure which file extension of this file, but try to open this one and using the edit with the Notepad++. See, you can see this kind of data as well. So, but anyway, this is very convenient tool and very powerful tool. So I'm hoping you can enjoy this Notepad++ to edit your file. Okay, now it's your turn. Thanks.